Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I am so glad that you could join me today. And I'm also so glad that I was invited to be a part of a collab. The collab is the Round Robin Fast Make. And this is a collab hosted by Anna and Angela and Anna. They are having a collab where you just make something with the materials that you have on your desk. The person who did it before you, which for me was Angela, she selected 3 prompts, and on my desk are usually something like that. So I'm gonna get the 3 prompts and try to make it. And then I select 3 prompts and I pass it along to the next person. So if possible, if you all who are watching could remember Round Robin Fast Makes hashtag and visit that hashtag to see what all of us are making. Right now there are 6 of us in, and if you would like to join after you watch a few videos to see what we're doing, or just join just to kind of play with all the stuff we have on our desk, contact Angela or Anna. And Angela's at Junk Journal Junction and Anna's at Making Joyful Journals. I'll have all that in my description box so you can see who the ladies are and also who to contact. So this is my turn, and she selected, I wrote it down. Her 3 prompts was, she said she used stickers, book page, and ink, and I could use any kind of substrate that I wanted to build on with that. I love tag making. And if you've seen my tags, you know I usually make these big dimensional tags and stuff like that. On my desk, I usually have something like this where I usually just stick stuff because I want to make something and I want to come down and play for a little bit. So I usually do it. So I'm going to use a tag. And let's see what I got. I kind of like that. That's pretty. I like these. This one's pretty. And I usually have some stuff. Right now, I've been playing with like these kind of things. Like I've been playing with these fairies and these little, these are, I think they're fairies too, or elves or something like that. But what I usually do is when I find something I like a lot, and I have these girls too, I usually make them into stickers. So I have this, just so I'll show you how I do that. I have this Recollections double-sided adhesive sheets, and I usually stick stuff down on here and then cut them out to make myself some stickers. So one of the prompts she told me was a sticker. So I can use these girls because I already made them into stickers. I don't think she fits on that one. She fits on here pretty good. Let's see if I have another. I have another one like that. So these are the girls I'm going to use. I'm going to use those. And the other thing was, so these are my stickers that I'm going to use. These, I have these book page things. And she said to use some ink. So I have some Distress Oxide ink. And I have a stencil. So I want to put, I'm going to use this. Let's use some of this. I like this. Let's put some of this on it. Let's get some little droplets and things. I know, you know, I wish I was good at, some people use like the white ink and they drop it down on there and it looks so good. But I usually end up getting that ink or whatever paint that do the splotches all over the place. So it usually becomes a mess. So I usually can't do that. And I'm using Forest Moss Distress Oxide. So I got those little things in there. And I want to tear a little bit of the book page that I want to put something like that. I think I want to give it a little bit of ink on it. Little ink. And I want to get out my glue. I want to glue it down. See, the glue never works when I want it to work. So I hope everyone's doing well. And I'm hoping that you'll all get to enjoy the Round Robin series. I think it's such a good idea to have everybody, you know, because right now I think we're all kind of struggling a little bit or having a little bit of a time to figure out what we want to do next, what we want to see next. But we all know that we have lots of supplies that we have. And if we think about what's coming out now, there's only a few things that are coming out that are really exciting us and saying, oh my God, I gotta have that. And then sometimes we're working on something with what we just recently bought, and we're like, okay, well, where is that? You know, where I know I have something like that. So I usually keep something on my desk with a little bit of things on it. I hope everybody can see what I'm about here. With a little bit of everything about it. And then I usually go about making. And so I promised myself that this year that I wasn't going to do a lot of shopping, that I was going to try to use the things that I had and then just kind of enjoy what I have and enjoy all those things that I told myself I had to buy when I bought them, which is quite the feat, not to shop. But I think I've been doing well. With not doing a lot of shopping because I haven't done as many haul videos as I used to. But I'm enjoying all the stuff that I have because I'm beginning to think I have some really, I think I've purchased some really nice stuff. And these girls, I'm in a group where it's a fussy gut group. And some of the ladies in the group, they make these images using AI. And I tried making some images using AI, and I'm gonna tell you, it didn't come out that bad. So I think I want to play with that a little bit and see how good I am at that. But these ladies have made these images, and they're free images to use, and they're their images that they created. So they said we can use them. I don't think you can use them for your personal use. So you can't go about selling them or anything like that. And I'm not thinking of selling them. I just enjoy using them for my personal use. Okay, so I inked around them. Now, do I want to put my girls on here flat? I'll save my book pages because I like to save it. Do I want to put my... Let me look and see if I want to add a little dimension to my girls here. Now, I haven't used this in a while. My desk, if you could ever see it, is a mess. And I keep adding something to add a little bit of space to my desk, right? But my desk never gets to enjoy the space because I'm forever looking at my stash getting something. And so that's how things are going here in the craft room. But I'm planning on trying to get the craft room a little more organized. Like I have some carts and I want to get the carts so that they can, that looks nice. Okay, let's see if I can actually get, I decided to make them dimensional instead of pull. I'm going to make one dimensional and I'm going to pull the backing off the other one and make the other one flat. Because it is, I do want to show you that it actually is a sticker. If I can get this off. So they actually are stickers because I did, you know, when I'm trying to get stuff off the back of these things. Where's my pokey tool? Well, who knows? You know, I got 99 pokey tools. I have a friend here, one of my good friends here on YouTube. She's made me a few Poke Tools. And whenever I'm talking, you know, she and I are meeting, or, you know, just having our little crafty sessions together, I'm always looking for that Poke Tool. Always looking for the Poke Tool. Okay, I kind of like her dimensioned on there like that. She seems to look pretty good like that. Now her, I will take the back off so you can see that it's actually a sticker. And you know, because I'm telling you it's a sticker and I'm going to take the back off of it, it's probably not, oh, there it is. It came off for me. See, if you get those, they come off, but you know, you got to find the spot. And see, they're super sticky. So you got to get your image where you want it, and then that's going to be all it wrote. Okay, so there we are. So I used the 3 prompts. I used the sticker girls. I used some book page. I used the ink to make the splotches. And I think I want, she said we didn't have to use a lot of stuff. And we have to keep it under 10 minutes. Keep it under 10 minutes. I'm going to ink around my tag. And the one thing I don't have on my desk here is the twine that I would put on my tag. But I want to put them into my new journal because I've been making a lot of, trying to make ephemera to go inside my journal. So I'm still making it, so, all right. There you go. Now, we made that in less than 10 minutes, and I like how they came out. I really do like how they came out. They do look lovely. So I got my book page, my sticker girls, and the ink, all the splotches that you see there. I think this one needs a few more splotches before I go. Wait a minute. Let me splotch it, give it some more splotches. I wish I could just shake the ink on them, but I did that one time, and I'm telling you guys, it didn't come out good when I did that. Okay. There, now look. Doesn't that look better? So I bought that just because. I bought this just because it looks like ink splotches. But there they are. I think they came out just gorgeous. And I like this one propped up, and I like her flat. So, thank you very much for joining me. Don't forget, this is the Round Robin Fast Make series, and my job is to pass this on to one of the next members of the team, and I'm going to pass mine to Rana, and Rana is at Lilo Crafts. So Rana, I'm passing it on to you, and I thought of the prompts I wanted. The prompts I wanted for you will be washi tape, a die cut, and ribbon. So for your make, you will have to use washi tape, die cut, and ribbon. And we all have that in our a die cut of anything you want, and some ribbon and some washi tape. That's all you have to do. Any substrate you want. And I'm looking forward to seeing it. Let me tell you guys, thank you for joining me. Angela and Anna, thank you for inviting me to join in. I am so excited about doing this, and I can't wait till my time to make my next make. If anybody else wants to join this, contact Angela or Anna. I'll have all the information in my description box, and I'll see you all in my next video. Let me tell you again that I always end with this because we're in this time where we need to take care of ourselves. Self-care isn't selfish, and sometimes we really need to stop and just take care of ourselves and just listen to what our body tells us that needs to be done. If it's rest, if it's crafting, if it's singing and dancing, do whatever makes you feel good and that you can take care of yourself. See you all in the next video. Bye now.